Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to change Facebook email. So, to change the email address on your Facebook account, so open Facebook and log into your account. Next, click your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Next, scroll down and look for settings and privacy. Select that. Then select settings. Then at the top, select account center. Then from here, click profiles and personal details at the top. Now, once you're here, so under profiles and personal details, you need to scroll down and look for personal details. Then click contact info. Next, tap or click add email. Then click enter email. So enter your new email address and follow the verification steps sent to that email. Then click on next. Then from here, click enter email at the top, then enter your new email address and just follow the verification steps sent to that email. Then after verifying, return to contact info, then select the new email and set it as primary. So if desired, remove the old email address. And that's basically it. So after updating your email, consider the security best practices. So use a strong unique password for your Facebook account. Enable two-factor authentication for added protection. Review your recent login activity for unfamiliar devices. Then remove outdated email addresses and phone numbers from your account. So updating your Facebook email is a quick way to keep your account secure and ensure you never miss important notifications or recovery messages. Thank you for watching.